Camille Brandy. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so excited that I am doing exactly what I said I was going to do. Today, I want to talk about how I am caring for my hair while I'm protective styling. I am in a protective style right now. This is my curly 4A kinky wig. It is a quick weave or a half wig by Outre. I got it from samsbeauty.com. I will make sure that I add the link in the description bar below. And I love this wig. I mean, I love this wig. I adore the fact that I decided to take a chance and spend a little bit of money on this wig. I have been kind of experimenting on my own with different hairstyles, and I will insert some pictures of just a couple of ways that I've been wearing my wig. But I just thought that it would be a really good opportunity to kind of show you how I'm caring for my hair. Here is the 4A kinky packaging paper. I just kept this because I felt like this is all I really needed. Okay, so I also have, this is crazy, it's a hat stand, and this is the base of the hat stand. Me and my hat stand. So this is my hat stand, but I took the hat off of it, and this is where I actually keep my wig when I do not have it on my head. It's just because I'm wearing it every single day right now, and I want to kind of keep the shape of it, and it's just a really good place when I'm spritzing my wig down for it to air out. So I just pop it on my little hat stand here, and it'll sit on my dressing table, and it just is amazing because it's a part of my lifestyle now. So once again, this is the Big Beautiful Hair 4A Kinky, and it is the quick weave. It also does talk about heat resistant fibers, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but I don't plan on ever putting heat in this wig, so that doesn't necessarily pertain to me, but it might to you if you wanted to experiment. So what I want to do is I just want to show you how I prep my hair at night, and then how I prep my hair in the morning. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And this is the hair mixture that I will be using to spritz on my hair before and after I put my wig on. So nice, clear, portable. I can take this, put this in my bag, I can take this on vacation with me, and it's all right here. So make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit me up in the comments section so then we can stay in touch and we can cheer each other on. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.